Okay, guys, so this is Ugo from Home Business Success System. All right, this is my website. This is a free website that anyone can use. Let me just scroll up to the top here. Okay, homebusinesssuccesssystem.com. Free website that anyone can use to earn multiple streams of income. Okay, now I want to scroll down to this is the Power Lead system. Okay, there's a video here that explains the Power Lead system. There's a link to join the Power Lead system. Okay, this is my dashboard or my back office to the Power Lead system. Now, I've been in this company for years and years and years and years and years. I'm going to scroll up to the top here, 2014, and you can see these are the commissions I've been earning since 2014. $20 commissions, $40 commissions, sometimes no commission, $60, $150 there, $60 there, all the way through 2014, 2015, and it just goes on and on and on. Okay, and even right up till now, where we are, 2020, because I've still got these commissions coming in. Okay, so what I do with the Power Lead system is I use it to promote programs that I'm involved in. So I'll show you what I mean. If I go to click the easy button here, all right, and what I do, okay, is I get the link of the program I want to promote, stick the link in here, all right, and then the Power Lead system gives me these options, and each of these options are a different way to promote the Power Lead system. So these three links here produce these pages. This page here is Yes Online System creates leads and daily cash. This link here, sorry, this page here, that's the second page. The second link is to this page. And the third link I showed you, this one here, Power Lead system, is to this page. All right. So the idea is, rather than promote my program directly or my link for whatever business I'm involved in directly, okay, rather than say to people, join my business, I basically give them a marketing system that will help them build their own business. All right, I give them a marketing system that will help them to build their own business. So this is a lead capture page, and when I advertise this, people enter the email address here and they get their own free copy of the program. And the program begins to email them, encouraging them to use the marketing system, to upgrade in the marketing system, all of which helps their business and gives me commissions. And the marketing system also sends them emails encouraging them to look at my program and to join my program. So I'm giving them a free copy of the marketing system. So basically, funnel 1, funnel 2, funnel 3 are all the same thing, right? Power Lead system is the full program with all the bells and whistles. The free lead system is the same program but with reduced functionality, and Lead Lightning is also the same program with reduced functionality. So you can promote it from different angles, okay? You can offer people the step-down version just to get their feet wet. You can give them a list building approach, or you can give them the full program, all right? So just by giving away free copies of the Power Lead system, you can help people build their business, help them get leads by using the capture pages. And when they upgrade, you earn a commission. And at the same time, the Power Lead system will email them regularly, encouraging them to upgrade in the Power Lead system, which means more commissions for you, and also encourages them with the emails to take a look at your opportunity as well. So you nail two birds with one stone. So next to this video, there's a link. Click on the link and get your own free copy of the Power Lead system. It's got lots and lots of training. If you go up here, you see all the different free and paid trainings you can access. You can build your own lead capture pages like this, or you can use ready-made lead capture pages, and you can learn all about marketing. It's an excellent system, and as you can see, I've been using it for years. Until today, I still earn a commission from the PowerLead system. So click the link, get your free copy today. Let me know how you're getting on, and I'll see you in my next video.